morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 18. Before we get into everything, make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe down below. Hit the notification button down below to be one of the first to know when I upload a new video. And yeah, so today I am on my way to my photo shoot. And because of the snow, they had everyone basically come in at 10 instead of our usual call time at 8 o'clock. But even then, I'm running late too. It was really hard for me to get an Uber. Like, multiple Ubers canceled on me. So it's just, this morning is not the morning. I've literally been trying for like 20 minutes to get an Uber. So I'm on my way there now. The snow is still snowing. It has not stopped snowing since last night, I believe, if I'm not mistaken. Supposedly it's supposed to stop snowing at 12. So hopefully it stops snowing at 12. But I don't know. Last night it was like so hard. I know you guys saw it, but it was so hard to get home. The cars wasn't even able to like move on the highway. Like literally there was like a truck that was like helping each car move up the highway. Like that's how bad it was. Like cars were gliding on the highway. Another day, another vlog to edit. So I'm editing yesterday's vlog while I'm in between taking shots and shoots and pictures. So alright guys, I'm back home. I look a mess. I'm always looking a mess here, but it is what it is. I had to go ahead and wash, well, the front of my hair over because the back is in like the same braids it was. The ends got wet. But I had to wash the front of my hair over because they had put like holding spray and stuff in it. And I was contemplating, I'm like, do I really want to wash my whole entire head? No, I don't. So I just decided I'm just gonna wash the front to take out the holding spray because holding spray has alcohol in it, and like alcohol dries out my hair very badly. Like there's some people that can use like products that have alcohol in it and their hair flourishes. My hair will dry out, and it took a very long time for me to get my hair to be like this soft. So I'm not going back. So I just washed the front of it. And I'm about to put some moisture milk on it, you know, my Camille Rose moisture milk, and put some of the Rejuva drops around my edges because I got braids, and not the braids that I recently took out. I had braids in a time before that. I never really posted pictures or anything in it, and it took out my edges around this area, so this side of my head is thinner than this side of my head. And then tomorrow I'm supposed to be getting butterfly locks at my shoot. That's basically the shoot of me getting my hair done. Let me look at butterfly locks so I make sure it's the same thing that I'm thinking about. I think that's okay. Yeah, I'm getting butterfly locks at the shoot, and I wanted to actually do these, so I feel like it was like a way of God just saying, here you go, Fanta. But I wanted to do these, but I'm just hoping that the girl doesn't do it too tight, because if she does it really tight, then it's gonna pull my hair out and I'm really gonna be reverting back to like square one and all the work that I've done. So I'm just gonna tell sis like, hello, I can't be too tight because my hair. So yeah, I'm gonna be getting butterfly locks. I'm hoping that it's gonna be like shoulder length, or like at least right here, because I really wanted locks like that anyways, and I was planning on doing it for myself. But the fact that I'm gonna be doing it at a shoot and getting paid to do it, like, baby, we lit. I got my surgical bra on with like a boob wrap, because I feel like my breasts aren't dropping. I feel like I said this already in the video, but I feel like my breasts aren't dropping, and it's like annoying the shit out of me. So I'm back to acting like it's still square one, helping it get into position and get to where it needs to get to. Don't get me wrong, they look good, but they're just not where they need to be at right now. So also, I got like Christmas gifts from the hairstylist that I work with Outre, and like they're just the sweetest. Anybody that knows me knows I love Starbucks. So thank you, Michelle, if you're watching this video, if you ever see this video, thank you so much for this. This is the cutest thing ever, and that, well, not the cutest thing, the sweetest thing ever, because I'm so using that tomorrow when I buy breakfast. That is like the sweetest Christmas gift, birthday gift, anything that you can give me is some freaking is the Starbucks card, because I spent so much money on Starbucks, it's ridiculous. Okay. And her partner Janelle also got me a card, and she got me some products from her Jazz Naturals line. It's so, and like right now I need it because you know my edges is going away. Anyways, she got a cute card, and it says, to my Fanta, your heart beats outside of your heart. The way that you bless me every time you're in my presence is much appreciated. I love you, boo. Janelle and family. Janelle, do this. Like, oh, this is so sweet. Like, y'all, I'm not someone that really get gifts like that. Like, I don't get gifts, like, even like for my birthday, I rarely get gifts for my birthday. So when people like go out their way and get me something or whatever, I appreciate it so much, because like I feel like I'm about to get emotional, and I don't even know why, because I'm talking about gifts. But I really am not a person that get gifts. Like, I don't get gifts like that, you know what I mean? Like, of course, like my boyfriends will probably buy me a gift and stuff like that. I don't even want to say probably, but like my boyfriends, you know, my real boyfriends, not like my high school boyfriend or whatever, but like, you know, yeah, they get me gifts during my birthday and stuff, but like other than that, like friends and families, I don't really get gifts like that. So when my friends and families and co-workers like go out their way to get me something, it really melts my heart, and I really appreciate it so much, because I feel like sometimes people don't think about me. So when I feel like somebody's thinking about me, it does something to me. So that was just Janelle, Michelle, thank you guys so much for that. Like, that just made my heart melt a little bit. I'm not gonna lie, like I feel really emotional right now, and I don't want to be emotional, but yeah, let me go ahead and put these products in my hair, because I really need to put these products in my hair, and I guess I'll just show you guys that. It's really crazy, because I never thought that I would be on here with my hair out, but might as well. I gotta take the braids out too. Okay, so I went ahead and took out the braids that was in the back of my head. So now I'm gonna moisturize the back with the Camille Rose Curl Love Moisture Milk. This is like Camille Rose products and Mayel, I believe that's how you say it, are one of the few products that actually work for my hair. That and, okay, Camille Rose, Mayel, and Wen hair products are one of the few things that actually work for my hair. I know some people say that this doesn't work for their hair, but this, at least my hair is so soft, moisturized. It helped my hair grow so much. I don't know if you guys know, but I had a pixie cut last year. I believe the video that I put up was in 2018. That's when I first cut it, and I had it up until like January or February of 2019. So like I had got like basically like a fresh cut, and then from that was like the last time I did like a touch up on my cut. And then after that, I've been growing my hair out since. So all the permed ends, because I did perm my hair, so all the permed ends I cut it off, and this is now the growth. It's getting somewhere. It is what it is. I cut my hair because I thought that like my hair was thin because I used to perm it, so I went natural, and I went natural for like 4 years. I cut my hair like 3 times because I'm tender-headed. The first time I cut my hair and went natural, I didn't know how to take care of my hair, so I felt like it was just so much to like deal with. The second time that I cut my hair, I feel like I was just I don't know, I wanted to try a cut, like a style, and I liked it. But then I was just like, all right, I'm over this because it was so high maintenance. And then the third time I cut my hair, and then around that time I learned to, like, once my hair was growing back, I really learned about my hair, how to take care of it, what's the best way, how to wash it, how to detangle it to save time and all that other stuff. But between that, I was like doing sew-ins and all this other stuff, so it caused like a lot of heat damage. So I cut my hair, one, because I had heat damage, and two, because I really wanted a pixie cut, and I really missed a pixie cut, and I didn't want to do it on a wig. So now I'm no longer cutting my hair anymore, because literally in the past year, honestly, my hair, this is almost, I mean, where's my hair? Like, where does my hair stop? So before I cut it, it was like right, okay, so it's like right here right now, right? So before I cut it, it was like right here. So it's almost to where it was when I cut it, and that was almost, what, 4 years of me being natural. So you could see that my hair was not really growing, and the fact that this is a year of growth, mind you, with none of the permed ends. So basically like a big chop or whatever, in a sense, and I have this much growth. It's really like I've learned a lot of my hair. So anyways, before I continue on chatting, I'm gonna use the Curl Love by Camille Rose. Just gonna take some of that and put it in my hair, because if I'm gonna be doing these locks, I need to make sure that my hair is moisturized, and I want to make sure I have as much moisture on my hair as possible. And then I split my hair in half, like I split it into two sides, and then I focus on each side, basically. Take some of this and focus on each side, and I bring it down to my ends. Okay, I've done that. My hair feels so soft. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take the Jazz Natural Island Curled Rapha oil. This is new. I don't usually put this in my hair, like as you guys can see. I literally just got it out of here. But it has castor oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and I guess put it in my hair to seal in the moisture. I'm usually not a fan of castor oil because it weighs down my hair, but this doesn't seem like a ooh, this has tea tree. Definitely has tea tree in this. Okay, since I already have it in my hand, I'm gonna go ahead and just use it to seal the back of my head, but I'm not gonna use it for the front because it has tea tree, and tea tree is such a like strong, I don't mind tea tree, don't get me wrong, I don't mind it at all, but it's such a strong scent. Like my hair just gonna smell so minty. Like it's such a, I don't, why it didn't say tea tree here. This definitely has tea tree oil in it, baby. I know tea tree oil when I smell it. But yeah, it doesn't, I don't have nothing against tea tree oil, but it leaves such a strong scent, and I'm not a fan of that. The scent that it leaves. Right here, and then I'm gonna take whatever I have left of my Rejuva drops. Like, this is my second bottle. This is where it's at, okay? I'm gonna take my Rejuva drops. I'm just gonna take a little bit, and I'm just gonna sporadically just put this all across the back of my scalp. This feels so good. Ooh, that felt so good on my scalp. I want to thank Kendra, girl. You've helped me in so many different ways, child. No, but seriously, I want to thank Kendra because ever since I found, she's like my hair, my natural hair goals. I doubt my hair will ever get like hers, because just from like genetics, you can just tell that her hair is way thicker than mine, just naturally. But she has helped me a lot when it comes to finding products that work for my hair, and I'm big on like, what works for somebody else may not work for you, especially when it comes to your hair. But Camille Rose, like, she's the one that put me onto Camille Rose. from her videos. And Mayel, I can't even believe I'm doing this because I don't do this. I am not a natural hair channel. Guys, do not expect to see a whole bunch of like natural hair stuff because that's just not me. But I'm low-key kind of putting this up here for like a reference, like within another year, to see how much my hair has grown, how healthy it's gotten, if it's gotten thicker or whatever. I've been like working on trying to make sure that I go and get my ends cut at least once a year. Okay, so that's that. Let's go ahead and do our daily Tula gummy vitamins. So yesterday we did day 5 because we skipped a couple of days. So I'm going to do day 6, which is embrace your skin. Okay. Oh, that done went down there. Go ahead and take that. All right, you guys. So I hope you all. Oh, I also need to take my. I'm gonna take some Rejuva drops and put that right here, baby, right here, and put that on my edges. All right, so I hope you guys have enjoyed Vlogmas day 18. I know I didn't record that much of like my photo shoots or anything like that, but that's just because it was the same thing that was in Vlogmas day 17. I just showed you guys a little bit of like the behind the scenes from like a different angle and like another set of things that we do. Tomorrow I'm not too sure if I'm going to be able to record like me getting my hair done, but I'll try because I feel like majority of the shooting part is going to be like on camera, so I don't know where I would be able to like prop up my camera or anything like that and be able to like stop and go like press play and turn it off and all other stuff. I don't think I'm going to be able to do that, so we'll see about that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to see the rest of my Vlogmas videos, make sure you check out the description box down below for the link to my Vlogmas 2020 playlist. And if you guys want to check out Kendra's channel, I will also have a link to her playlist down below, because baby, sis will put you on to anything that you need to know when it comes to hair. Okay, it's a lot that I learned. I mean, these drops, I really feel like these drops has helped so much with my hair coming back in the front, because it was like all across my hair. Like I had lost edges like all across my hair. And they're finally coming in. This side though, I'm still struggling on, especially like around this area, because the braid came out like with my hair. Like I said, not this recent one, because my hair was fine, as you guys saw, but the braid came out with my hair. So basically I had like a bald spot here and I had a bald spot here, and this has helped a lot with my hair coming back in. So if you guys want to check out Kendra's channel, Miss Kinsthetic, here on YouTube, make sure, well, it's not Miss Kinsthetic, it's Kinsthetic, okay? Here on YouTube, go ahead and check out the description box as well, and check out her channel, check out all of her natural hair videos, and you know, learn a thing or two, because ain't much else I could teach y'all, because whatever I'm gonna teach y'all, she taught me. So make sure that you give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye. Just like the ones I used to know.